Okay, here we are, everyone. My front door. I know I haven't got the Christmas mat out yet, but soon. Coming inside. We still have the Indian corn up. That'll be going, a poinsettia. Signs of Christmas. So, here we are in my home. That's my massage chair, because I'm a massage therapist too. But this is what I wanted you to see today. This is all of my Little Rose inventory out for display because I'll be having the open house at my house this weekend. Now, this is not, you see there's a box here. There's a lot more than what's on display. And here's me. I wanted to show you, if you can see that, my little ponytail here. And I will show you how to do that this weekend. That's one of our headbands. If you come by December 7th from 12 to 4. These are some items that with a $100 purchase, this is one of our hair towels, some of our badge holders that are no longer available for ordering, but I have a few. Those with any $100 purchase are going to be a gift. There's the larges. This is our charms. I don't know if some of you are maybe not aware that we have charms, and you can order those. We have all the birthstones. We have some Christmas. We have a little paw print, baby feet, all kinds of fun things. We also have several sports items that you can order in team colors. So that's another fun thing. So I've got those on display, our leathers, all the mediums, and the U-pins, all kinds of pretty U-pins available. I'm going to be offering lots of specials this weekend. There's our hair bands. I'll be doing a lot of 2-for items, like, actually I think on the Flexies I'm going to offer deals where you can buy a 2 for a price and a 3 for a price, and cheaper than usual. And also I'm going to do 10% off your order if it's $50 or more. So there you go. Would love for you to come. I'm in the Cincinnati area, greater Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky area. So if you want to stop by, please message me. I'll put my my email address in the newsletter, a link to that, so you can message me that you are coming. So I hope to see you this Saturday.